So now your second step is to prime the surface. Now, not with any old junk. You have to use KonKote because it's specially designed to soak in to the pores of the marbelite or the concrete, right? When it soaks in, it will solidify and seal up all the capillaries and the pores in the substrate. So we're going to put a little bit, there it is, KonKote. It's going in here, and a little bit goes a long way. So just for the sake of this demonstration, KonKote is your concrete sealer and a marbelite sealer. Now, I could do this area for sealing purposes, but since I'm not going to be painting this any color because it's natural rock, I'm going to move straight onto the marbelite. Now, I'm going to put just a straightforward coat on. You'll start to see it'll go clear shortly, but where I'm going to actually paint the pool blue, that's where I'm going to have the primer, KonKote. Okay, come back in a minute once the KonKote is dry.